So you want to find the waterline inside your boat as exactly as possible. What you would usually do is you take a folding rule, you start outside the boat and measure from the waterline upwards, see where it hits the deck and continue to a window, and inside you do the same process in reverse, and then you have an approximate location of where the waterline in your boat is. The problem I have is that this boat is fin-keeled and the hull is rather flat. Since I want to install a bow thruster, I need to have a bit more precise measurement than I get with the folding rule method. There's only 20 to 30 centimeters from the waterline to the keel in the front, so it needs to be exact that I know which size of bow thruster I can fit. To measure the waterline exactly, you need two things. First thing you need is a laser leveler like this one here. You can buy them relatively cheap, 20 euros or something, or you borrow them from a friend who has done their fair share of house renovating, or maybe from a hardware store. The second thing you need is a thru-hull with an attached transparent or semi-transparent hose while the boat is still in the water. So the trick is now you take the laser level, switch it on and align the laser with the water level inside the transparent hose. Then, by using a bit of school physics and Pascal's law of communicating vessels, everywhere where the laser hits the wall is where the water line is on the outside. If for some reason the point where you need the measurement is obstructed, you can make a little mark on the wall close by, reposition the laser, and then you get still a fairly precise measurement of the waterline inside the boat. So another advantage of using the laser leveler is that you can see the exact waterline pretty much everywhere you want. Like here it's, what, 29 centimeters. If I go further here, I get 35 centimeters, and you don't have to deduce any angles. You just get it by holding the folding rule wherever you want. So I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please like and consider subscribing. And I have to get back to my bow thruster installation now.